How to install AppLink on Fire Stick. I'm going to show you how to install AppLink on your Fire Stick in just a few simple steps. First, enable unknown sources. On your Fire Stick, go to Settings, and then My Fire TV, and then Developer Options. Turn on Apps for Unknown Sources and ADB debugging. Now, install Downloader app. Go to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Download AppLink. Open Downloader and enter the AppLink URL. You may search for the latest AppLink URL from here, firesticktricks.com. Here, you can see different. You may try each one of them because each one actually changes from time to time. And click go. Wait for the file to download. Then select install. Launch AppLink and enter a store code and access apps.